I just picked up a 10-pack of 4-foot LED linkable shop lights, which constantly adding lighting to my shop. Sometimes I've got 8-footers up around the perimeters here, and then some of these smaller areas, I'd like some 4-footers. So when I saw these, I really liked them because they've got black tips and very, very light, which is always a good thing when you're trying to hang things on tiny little places. You've got the bottom here for your chains. Just hook right in there. It comes with a on-off switch, regular plug, no ground right there. And then on this end, it just uses a regular plug. So if you're going to link these together, they're just going to plug into each other. So like I said, it's a 10-pack. And we want to see how bright these are. So let me get a little bit of a couple of them together. As far as the chains go, they come with some eye hooks. You can see that or not. And just your regular old chain that's about maybe 8 inches with an S hook. And so if you need to screw in an eye hook to something, you have it with it. And then bring all little chains, they just slide into the grooves. I got one plugged in. Let me kind of give you an idea. Kind of back that away. They're along the lines of 5600 kind of daylight. Like I said, super, super light. And, you know, not crazy heavy duty. So we've got a flat side on the back, which tells you the up, obviously with your chain hooks right here. And then we can just daisy chain 10 of them. You're going to cover some serious territory with these. So check out this style linkable if you want something that's really, really lightweight and flexible, decent looking. I like the style. I like the gap in between there. That's kind of fun. So check them out.